within a couple of weeks, he hired me. You know, he was starting his investment bank, and I was back in banking. I was miserable, right? Now I'm back in banking. Now
Yeah.
it's a bit different.
Well,
It's a
why?
bit different
Miserable because the lifestyle went back to what you were like at Lehman. Like it was exactly like it was before since he had been at Lehman.
No, because now I was like a VP, senior VP. So it was, and it was a boutique shop, but because I learned to, and again, nothing against, I have a lot of friends in investment banking, but I learned to despise the investment banking and the investment banker, right? And the industry and the way they think and how it's all about trying to get their fees and all the BS that we put in a presentation just to, you know, throwing hundreds of ideas and hoping that one will stick. Like we were not, everything that I learned, and I was happy I learned, like I was scared of losing it, you know, this mindset. And that was my worry. And that's why I was miserable. At the same time, you know, great guy, and he had a lot of connection, and I worked on very good deals and some aspect of the real estate industry that I haven't seen at the previous job. So it was something good. But here it was small firm backed by one very large firm and another small investment bank. At the end of the day, the firm just shut down after a year and a half. So it was good a year and a half, but it shut down. And then now I'm, you know, summer of 2011, and that's life, by the way. You know, like there will be a lot of ups and downs in life, and you learn that, and it's actually good because it's you try to reinvent yourself or think outside of the box, and
it forces you to kind of like, you can't become kind of a passive observer in your own life. It forces you to like, oh man, like you have to actually take hold. Whereas oftentimes if you're getting paid well, you're in a decent spot, you can get
you're
stuff.
in cruise control, you know, and
yeah.
but it's fine until it's not.